Hi there again. In this short film we're going to be applying the Savolite boards, the Woodwool boards. First of all I needed to remove all the nails. So these are the Woodwool boards. They don't have any wool in them. They're just the texture, I think, gives them the name. I decided to go for 35mm thick.
Nice to have a pair of fucking gloves.
Should have got some gloves. They're quite easy to cut and shape. They're 2 meters long by 60 centimeters high. They come with stainless steel screws and washers to attach them to the timber frame. The timber frame here is actually bowing outwards, and it was really difficult to get it to fit. I marked where the crossbeam was and then shaved a bit out to get it to fit. This corner here is really tricky. I'm actually standing on a ledge and there's nothing below me, and they're quite heavy and I'm trying to balance it and I dropped it basically. Another day. I found using a strap line to hold it in place was really handy. As you can see, this little space was really awkward. I feel like James Bond. I don't look like him though. I'm resting them on a stool so I don't have to carry them up the ladder. Because the timber frame is slightly curved, they don't sit on top of each other properly. It was in the wrong place, so I had to have a think. So I'm securing it round the vertical stud with the strap line so it doesn't fall off until I can get some screws in. We can let the partition wall down now. So Woodwool boards are insulating, they are breathable, they are moisture and damp repellent, they're fire resistant because of the cement binding them together, and they're made from sustainable forestry, making them an environmentally sustainable building material. They're very good for acoustics because they are good at dampening the sound. These 35mm ones cost about £17 each. That's 2 meters by 60. And what else about them? They're really good for line rendering on because they are a flat, even surface. And my measurements are crap. Look, I missed a bit. I had to cut it to fit around the roof purlins. Okay, this is a big moment. These are the acro props that I've been holding up the house for the last 6 months, and I'm taking them out. We will be carrying on with this next year. I used lime mortar to curve the edges of the window and seal in the Woodwool boards. And here I am taking down the acro props on the inside. The cement mixer is here, ready to start making hemp. Thanks so much for watching. In the next film, I will start to make some hemp insulation.